So you have some extra overripe bananas and you're wondering what to do with them. Well, today I'm going to show you how I use some overripe bananas to make this delicious double chocolate banana bread. It's so easy to make and tastes just like chocolate cake with banana flavor. And the best part is you will not need an electric mixer. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and for those returning, welcome back. To see how I put this together, keep on watching. All the ingredients that I will be using to make this chocolate banana bread. I will be using everything you see here except for the vegetable oil. I will leave the ingredients list down below in the description bar, and I will also be writing it on screen. The very first thing I'm going to be doing before I start prepping the ingredients is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to start by adding to a medium bowl the flour, the cocoa powder, the baking soda, and the salt. Mix all that together and set aside. In a separate bowl, use a potato masher or a fork to mash your 3 ripe bananas. Once that is done, go ahead and set that aside as well. In a third bowl, add the sugar, melted butter, eggs, vanilla, and yogurt. Give that a really good mix, and next we're going to be putting them all together. To the dry ingredients, add the wet ingredients, followed by the mashed bananas and chocolate chip. Mix well until all is combined, being careful not to overmix. So next I'm spraying a 9x5 loaf pan with some cooking spray. Then I'm lightly dusting it with some cocoa powder. Transfer your batter to your prepared loaf pan. Sprinkle top with your desired amount of chocolate chip. And bake in your preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes. The banana bread is finished baking when a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Once it's done, remove from the oven and let the banana bread sit for approximately 15 minutes inside the loaf pan. Then transfer to a cooling rack and allow that to cool completely before serving. And there you have it, guys. Easy to make chocolate banana bread. If you like this video, please go ahead and leave it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye guys.